On a rainy day like this, you know what a home inspector thinks about? Going somewhere sunny and warm. So I'm going to California, to InterNACHI's convention, to join every home inspector. And do I have to mention, the main reason you should go is the best party to crash. Everyone there, you should know, will help you make a ton of cash. Master inspectors are teaching business and marketing, so you can make a great living, and then we can all sing. We're going to California to InterNACHI's convention to be the best inspectors and boost our inspections. They got lunch every day, building and tearing down a deck, infrared camera giveaway, sewer scope, what the heck. Talk with the best vendors, learn what you need to know, take selfies with inspectors, and talk shit with Nick Gromicko. We're going to California to InterNACHI's convention to be the best inspectors, and that's our intention. I'm going to California to InterNACHI's convention, here to inform you, there ain't no question. The main reason you should go, it's the best party to crash. Everyone there, you should know, will help you make stacks of cash. Peace.